Right now, we switching things up today. We did the research. The numbers don't lie. 13 pounds of dirt. It just makes more sense to be a teardown than somebody's home. We talking $800,000 per townhouse. And how many townhouses do you think you could fit on 13,509 square feet when the townhouse is being sold has an average square footage of 4,000 square feet? You let that number sink in, and you tell me why I bought this hard hat and put stickers all over it. So, theinvestorpartygurus.com. I will sell your house one way or another. Call me. Let's do a highest price analysis, and we're gonna do what it takes to get it done. Ask me any real estate questions you got. What is a good picture? Stanley. My wife bought me a Stanley cup. Thanks, boo. Yeah. Pause.